Welcome to my channel, your go-to for the latest tech and camera gear. Today, we're diving into the revolutionary Sony A7V. Now, what if the perfect hybrid camera didn't just capture moments but predicted them? What if your next masterpiece was powered by artificial intelligence, crafted with stunning clarity, and built to push boundaries like never before? Well, Sony thinks it's possible. And their answer is the Sony A7V. The Sony A7 series have been the heart of countless photographers and filmmakers for years. A lineup where power meets portability and versatility reigns supreme. But now, in 2025, Sony is writing a new chapter. The A7V, or maybe we'll call it the A75, is not just an update. It's a redefinition. Deep dive into specifications: 44 megapixel BSI, full frame sensor, high resolution, incredible detail. Dual Bions XR processors with an AI engine making split-second autofocus decisions smarter than ever. 4K, 120 frames per second buttery slow motion, the filmmaker's dream of AI-powered autofocus tracking people, animals, vehicles, and even drones in real time. 5-axis IBIS delivering up to 8 stops of stabilization, almost like having a gimbal in your hands. Dual native ISO for superb low-light clarity. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. Bringing your creative workflow into the future. The 10 killer features. A new 44MP sensor, greater clarity, enhanced dynamic range, 4K, 120 FPS slow-mo, because storytelling is all about timing. Smarter AI, autofocus, no subject is too fast, too small, or too far. Unlimited 4K, recording, passive cooling, solves the overheating problem. ProRes raw output, industry-grade video quality through HDMI. Dual native ISO, cleaner low-light shots than ever before. 8-stop stabilization, take handheld shooting to new heights. Enhanced JPEG engine images that pop straight out of the camera. Refined ergonomics redesigned for long shoots and comfort. Future-ready connectivity, fast, stable, and reliable transfers. When's it coming? Official launch, likely March 2025 at the CP+. Camera show in Japan. Pre-orders should open shortly after. Retail release, June or July 2025 worldwide. What's the damage? Body only. Expect around $2,499 to $2,599 USD. With kit lens, likely between $2,799 to $2,999 USD. Why it matters? For creators, the A7V could be more than a camera. It's your companion in the wild, your storyteller in the studio, and your eye when it matters most. High-res photography, pro-level video, and cutting-edge AI all in one mirrorless body. Community engagement. So, what excites you the most? The 4K 120 FPS? That smart autofocus? Or the beautiful new sensor? Drop your thoughts below. I'd love to hear how you'd use the A7V in your creative work. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed today's breakdown. Subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell so you won't miss our full hands-on review when the Sony A7V hits the shelves. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.